So welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my first traveling vlog. I'm going to Nairobi for the first time alone at night by SGR. So yeah, I try to show you my journey, and don't mind this, it's a pimple patch. So I came by tuktuk for 700 shillings, but only take tuktuk if you know the tuktuk guy personally. Do not trust anyone from the road. And yeah, you can also take Uber or a taxi. So I just bought the ticket. For the first class is 3000 shillings, and yeah, I'm going inside now. This is how the terminus looks, Mombasa terminus. You won't be able to see right now so much because there is not much light. The scenery is really good, but so it's not seen right now. So I'm going inside now. So I've reached the first class region, and just coming here, I'm all sweaty now because you have to carry your own bags yourself. There is no one to help, so pack lightly if you can't carry your bags. And yeah, I'll show you. And now there is also a Mashariki cafe, I think, who serve food. So I've ordered peri peri chips just to see how the food is. Otherwise I bought Kfc on the way, so I'll eat this. And I also want to try the in-house, like the food which is available on the train. So this is how the first class is. It's on the second floor, I think, so you get the privilege to use the lift. Otherwise, for the second class people or economy class, you have to use the escalator or the stairs. Yeah, so I just saw someone getting help for their bags, so I guess you can get the help, and I think you have to pay for it. So yeah, maybe you can come and choose to get the help here with your bags. And even though the ACs are on, it's so hot. So that's the AC. And I'm just traveling with this small cabin luggage and a handbag, a backpack, and that's it. My peri peri chips is here. Let's see how it is. It was for 250 shilling, and it's really hot. I think this is the salt. Oh, it looks really nice. So let's taste. It's really hot. It's freshly made, and it's worth 250 shillings. It doesn't have any sauce. No, sorry, it doesn't have any salt, so you add your own salt. I think they've given in the foil. So yeah, I'll enjoy my chips, and I'll also show you the KFC I bought. So let's add the salt. This is totally worth it. And they give you in this takeaway packet, so if you can't finish, you can also take it inside your train and finish it later on. So yeah, and they gave tomato sauce and chili sauce packet. So yeah, I'll enjoy my chips and then see you later. For the KFC, I bought this wingman box meal where I get 5 wings, chicken wings, and fries. So fries, I'm not eating the KFC ones, I'm eating this one. This is more delicious. So this is the KFC wings, and it's so cold. The KFC which I used to have in Kuwait and the KFC in Kenya is so much different in quality also and taste also. Kuwait has such high quality standards when it comes to food. So yeah, it's okay, and it has become also hard, it's not juicy anymore. So yeah, this is how it is. So the quantity was quite enough for me, and I couldn't finish it, so I've kept it to eat it later. And I think you shouldn't bring your dinner, or you can buy it from here. It's the chips are totally worth it. So yeah, let's go to the washroom and I'll show you the washroom. So this is the washroom. This is me, and this is what I'm wearing. It's quite clean. Last time I came there was no water, so yeah, there is no water even today. So yeah, this is the washroom. It's quite clean, but I should definitely make some changes and add some bidet or water facility. So this is the menu. It's quite reasonable, it's not even that expensive. And this is what I ordered, peri peri chips, close to 50. They also have biryani and spaghetti if you like those kind of things, and also some Swahili food, fresh juices, milkshake, hot beverages. So I'm a big chai fan, and I ordered tea, normal tea, that's Kenyan normal tea, and it's quite a huge cup. They've given some sugar separate. So let's taste this. I added too much sugar. It's with masala and it's proper chai. water and mix with milk. It has tea masala, ginger and everything. I'm sweating so much, it's so hot that this pimple patch also. So now I'll see you when we'll be boarding the train. And I'll try to show you. I don't think you'll be able to see, it's so dark at night, so let's see what you can see and I'll try to show you. Finally in my coach. So this is how the first class is.
Welcome aboard. Thank you for choosing the Madaraka Express as your preferred mode of travel. This broadcast will provide you with safety precautions and travel information. Kindly pay attention to all announcements and guidance from the service staff in order to maintain a safe and comfortable environment. Please note that smoking on board is strictly prohibited.
Buddy, thank you. So this is the dining cabin. And this is how it has tables and you can't see anything right now. So I ordered the hot chocolates. So I also ordered a chicken sandwich and it comes in pack like this, two chicken sandwiches. So let's taste. It's cold.
And then our service and they're from Uganda. And I wanted them to enjoy the services.
It is good. breakfast, and it has some lettuce, cucumbers, onions, tomatoes. A sandwich and hot dog.
Bye and have a good day.
So after 5.5 hours we have reached Nairobi, and you won't be able to see it right now, so I'll show it outside. So it's 3:38 right now in the morning, and I'll have to wait around 30 minutes more for the curfew to be over so that I can go out. So this is the outside of Nairobi Terminus. hotel ito.